Okay, we're on the exam questions. So the first one, we are given this and we're asked to find P. Whenever you are given an equation, that's exponential equation, what you have to do, you compare the sides with the base and the power. So I'm saying here now, this means square root of x, which is x raised to power half over x raised to power 3 must be equal to x raised to power p. So here I'll bring the two together in the same base, applying the second law. So, and here, what is half minus 3? Half minus 3 is minus 5 over 3 equals x raised to. As you can see, for these two functions to be equal, this x and this x implies that the powers must be equal. So the answer is 5. Sorry, this is 2 minus 5 over 2. So the answer is C. So in the next question, we are given 16 raised to power minus half times 8 raised to power minus 1 over 3 times 20. So again, applying the laws together. Remember, this is negative, meaning I can reciprocate. Again, this is also negative. I reciprocate. Finally, 27 1 over 3. And here, remember, this means 1 raised to power half. 16 raised to power half times 1 raised to power 1 over 3. 8 raised to power 1 over 3 times 27 1 over 3. So the 1 raised to power anything is 1. 16, you know, this means what you multiply 2 times to give me 16. And this means what you multiply 3 times to give me 8. And finally, what you multiply 3 times to give me 27. So this is what you multiply 2 times to give me 16 is 4. What you multiply 3 times to give me 8 is 2. Why what you multiply 3 times to give me 27 is 3. So I have 3 over 8. So the answer is B. So the next question, we are given if that equals that and that equals, then we're asked to find xy raised to power minus 2. You notice that this xy raised to power minus 2 is the same thing as x over y squared. And if you notice, if I divide 3, 2, so you notice that this is the same thing as s raised to power 3, y raised to power 4 over x squared y raised to power 6. They are the same. Check it. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. It goes down. So that's it. So our answer is 384 over 8, which is 4 carry 6, which is 48. Our answer is A. So the next question, we are given if given that equals, we're asked to find square root of k. Okay. I mean, they gave us that k equals 81 times 2 raised to power 2n minus 2. You know, I can write 81 since we are looking for square root, meaning square must be here so that if you move, it becomes square root. So I will write the right hand side in terms of square. So this is 9 squared times 2n minus 1 squared. Do you remember? When an exponential function is raised to a power, it's the same thing as multiplying the two powers. So they are the same. And I can bring the two further together like this, all squared. So the square goes here to be square root, and my answer is 9 times 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So my answer is A. So the next question, we are given if 2 raised to the power 4 plus 2 raised to the power 4 plus 4 times equals A raised to the power B. And we are now asked to find the 8 8th root of 6b. So the next thing, what you notice here, we need to find a and b. So, and it's written, since we are given this, you notice a pattern. There is something common. If you bring down 2 raised to power 4, you are left with 1 into 4 times. Check it. So again, 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 4 times is 4. And 4 is 2 raised to power 2. Finally, I can bring the 2 together. I can bring it at 2 raised to power 4 plus 2, which is 2 raised to power 6. So that's it. So the next thing is which implies a is 2 and y and b is 6. So we are now at therefore d is 2, a is 2, no need of writing 2 inside, and b is 6. Or maybe less. So what you multiply to 6 squared, which is 6. So the answer is D. So the next question, if we are given this and we're asked to find x, 5 raised to power minus into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So bring out minus 5 raised to power minus x into 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They told us is equal to 1. This is now 5 minus x times 5 equals 1. And this is 5 minus x plus 1, because the power here is 1, equals 1. And we know that we can write 1 as 5 raised to power 0, because we're trying to compare. For the answer to be correct, the bases are the same, which implies that the powers must be the same. So x must be 1. So the answer is D. There is no option. There is 1 there. So our answer is D. So the next question, we are given if ab raised to power x equals b over a over b raised to power x equals b over a raised to power x minus 4. We must compare sides. So we check the base and the power. So what we have here is a and b and a. So meaning I can write a over b as b over a. I will now negate the power. Remember the law. Repeat this, because I'm trying to compare the two sides. So the base and the power must be the same. So without changing the equation, this could be written as b over a raised to power minus x. They are the same. Remember the law. So again, the base and here, the base is here, which implies that the powers must be the same. So coming here 4 and coming here x plus x, and x plus x is 2x equals 4. So dividing both sides by 2. This is 2. Dividing both sides by 2. So our answer is D. So the next question. Okay, that's the final question. So let's now enter to the main, that's the harder questions here. So thank you.